If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on OPPO Find X9 Pro, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to home screen, lock screen, and style, and then in here we should be able to swipe up to reveal these options. Now we're gonna tap on wallpapers, and then in here we have choose from album. So we want to go over here, and then you can choose whichever photo you wish to set as a wallpaper from your library. Now in here we can tap on this check in the upper right corner. We can still adjust the photo. We can zoom in and zoom out with the pinching gesture. With two fingers you can change the position of the photo. Actually, with one finger we can do that. So we're gonna tap on apply, and then over here we can either choose to set it as a lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, or we can set it for both screens. So I'm gonna set it for both. Now over here we can still adjust the photo with two fingers. This time we can move up and down, and also we can zoom in and zoom out, and of course we have some additional options at the bottom of the screen as well. And that is pretty much it. Once you are ready, tap on apply in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.